Hey, my people, how una dey? Hope say una dey fine. Abeg, una wey dey help me dey share, comment, like. We God go bless una. I appreciate everybody wey dey comment, like, all those things. I appreciate to each and everyone. My people, I dey here since last week, because na know say saga full everywhere, just dey hot. Even the evil thought said that they come for me. Now say, yeah. I dey here. Oh, what you know if you concern me, they say that they come for me. Me, I tell now one thing before I tell this one. Anybody wait there for social media, I come tell you, say, I get your secrets. Now me go bust her out. Tell them say me quick bust her out. Okay? Tell them say quick bring her out. You see person like me. I was born in August. What they call testado. You understand? We know they find trouble. Okay? People where they born for August will be lioness. We know they find trouble. But if you find out trouble, you know they finish. Now be that one, okay? So I called the year say they still they call for me. This one, that one. So they'll bring my story call. This one I was like, I better bring her come on. Because me I even want maybe they hear the story. Because people where they don't bring their story come out, they can't make they still stand getting back. Nothing they happen. Now that one then they try to use to intimidate people. Person like me, you can never. You can never, they never born that person. Okay? So that one is that one. So I come the year say something happen for party say Okmaika, they beat her for party, and Mama Okinebo give her boss bass. Okay? I not too much listening to that video, na Papa Twins na one. Say after you don't insult them for live video. You see this social media of 18, I they talk all the time say those people where be say they not do you anything. Before you go see me say I go carry person will not do me anything, I call the insultant or logo. I know even they do one. Why I want can't do one? Because of waiting. And I know they can't the enemy for person. Even though say you be my blood sister, you be my blood brother, you be my pikin. Say you with that person not they play, so therefore me no one follow and play. I know they do one before. I know go stay clear because I did for social media. Me I can't they do one. So according to small where they hear because we not see video, okay? Maybe video there and no see am. No verse or no say me I just they do my thing. So according to small where I hear say okay, come go meet Mama Okinebo there for the party. So maybe go greet town or something like that. More than not two verse, because me, if I dey listen to video, if it's too long, I'll say make I come on for them. So now the woman call like boss, you understand? So now you they insult me for live video. And so it be. If you insult somebody for live video, not just you feel they talk say now social media of 18. Not be everybody they take and say na social media of 18. Not be lie. Some people say, if I don't curse you finish, a social media no na social media thing, they know they take and go another place. For your mind, now your mind, you know my you know another person because person where sit down when you go carry, go bite, come the insult talk different things for that person body. You say make that person if you see you may come greet you. Let me say the person not get brain. You see person like me. As far as say you don't pass your boundaries, person like you see your local. If we are me no bacteria no ni. I know the bare man they talk my Now people where be say we just you decrease you demand all those things say I'll just say bed they go and I don't know you for anywhere. I don't know you if I still see you for ground. Me I they talk my the way it be. You understand? I don't want to be friend with anybody. I don't want to be anybody friend. I get my children, my husband, they be my friend, they be my everything. It's okay because people for outside where you want to go make friend with, then they find your own as you see me. So if I tell you say I don't get friend, just believe me. If I tell you say I get sister, if I tell you say person where I take her as my sister, just still believe it's not a friend. Okay? Person where you don't beat finish for live video, you don't call her everything, you don't give her boss bass. And you know if you say maybe you can't beg and say no verse now so we they do for this side now wo and you know good. You understand? Then you can't see that person, you can't like you want to make the person come embrace you or make come tell you say, you really beat me, no problem. Now may we carry on. Man, if the person tell you say no problem, can't drink water. If you put something, you see people like us where you just they talk and come out so, you just know say that person get you for mind. You see person where go tell you say na social media problem, not they go just take and say na social media. You understand? So according to them, now the boss bass come like happen for them. You know, people come they blame the woman. Why you go do something like that? This one, they go do unto you. They'll carry your mama. Carry your mama. They'll piss some for road. social media na know say hok by in hon na dey be. That one where they just carry they go. They'll come to say na adulterous, na this one, na that one. They'll just they carry they go. Even though say another video come, you can't they talk and say na saga. The one where you take do say na saga, they know they hear again. You see that bad one. Now that one they last pass. That one don't go. They don't carry go. Now that one here why I'm looking at they'll just believe. You understand? They'll just they carry they go. So now I make if you they do person like me, I know follow person do saga of when they put waiting on day your body, when they talk about that bidi. I will never do it. I will never do it because ununayarioma nayariama egiadology or iloro. Why you want to repair now? You don't spoil her, you don't destroy, don't destroy. Now I make it good for this social media. If you they do saga, no pass your boundary. No put waiting not there for person body, no put her for a body, you no go come more. And I'll not be everybody go even take and say, okay, na social media 15, probably not there. You don't talk your own, but I know say I not be like that. If you want to do you something for us, I go do you. You understand? And they talk all the time, say, the rest they not go back. And the worst of thing, they will still they claim rights. So as that one can't happen, so I cannot be say he can't beg the woman after the live. I don't even know what happened with them, okay? Because sometimes waiting not they consign them, now then go they like make I can't join this one. I know they join anybody. If I want to analyze issue, I analyze them. If I want to make you know say this social media, if you want to make me, I know they analyze again. If you they watch me where you know say I know they analyze. If I want just talk like this, I know say I want just talk. Because if you analyze, the one way be say, that one go say, he not like the way we analyze that, it will come to insult you. You understand? You will be not get issue. Because somebody like me, person say, want to analyze my issue. I not come insult you. Now, your opinion, because I understand, but no use insult of things to analyze. A person like me, I know they use insult because you not do me anything. The fight where they grind not concern me, concern you. You understand? I go see bring on the way where I take see. But social media, me, I can't say I know they analyze again. I just they blog my thing, come on for there, you know those things. Then they do one thing. If they get issue with another person, they go like enter inside. You understand? Say I they join the other side, they'll come they big this one, you know. And you with that, you will enter inside, you with that person not get issue. Why now they do that kind of thing? Me, I don't know. But I no go fit do one. Even though say na my pikin, I come dey live video in with somebody there. I go just analyze, come on for there, tell them say don't do. You know? I no go because of that one, can't carry enmity. Most of them, now they do, now they cause all this thing. Waiting not consign them, they go enter, they will come say, whether I don't know, whether na my way in your mass say, I don't know as I'll take talking. Most people, something where they say apple, you not consign them. In wala where they'll just enter. Quand they like, hey, na so your toto be. I see like this. That's why they fuck you for all this time. They talk everything for waiting not consign them. What of it the other one they come make they play on they call like settle. You will be say enter inside. She be now you go carry the enmity. That make me I know they enter like that. I want to wait. I want to come on for them. I not go vex for the other one. I not go vex for the other one. Why? You know consign them. I know them before. You know, insult me. You know, talk to me. Now, when I see for road, I go just still talk and come up for them. But they will not be like that. So, now the boss can't happen because they still talk and small, but I not just know the actual thing will really happen. Okay, my people? So, I mean, you see this social media, if you know, say you don't insult me. I bet if you see me for road, I don't know you, you don't know me. As somebody like me, if I see you, look, that one is a promise. On even immediate hate. Oh God, oh Jesus is Lord. Baba God go forgive me. No, say now he come for me. You pass your boundary. You not fear. You see they insult me on top. Now that one that they do. They go no say that they pass their boundary. They go see they insult you on top. May they for silence you. Menonia. He may I owe you like this. Now so it be. Some people sit there for inside house. Where see they talk say deniga more man. Now so it be. You go don't talk, say you don't talk, finish, you don't sit down. The one where they wait for you, when he go see you, now then I go chop you up. That's how it be. I want to get when they tour. Heaven no home ya vie. So all those people where they do back. I may make me but then they want to come for live video. Now them be odunga. If person way be say we can see you for outside. Oh God value, not be lie. Not leave you. Even in Hannah do anything. You go say, okay, the thing where you get for social media. Oh, yeah, now show up for grand. Show up for the grand, then we see. All right, my people, thank you. Please send me to love and like and share this video. Be yourself. Person like me, I no dey fight for anybody. I dey my day.